tablespoons of cumin, salt and pepper to taste, okay? 2 envelopes of sazon, adobo to taste, half a can of salsa tomate, 1 can of beans, and I think we have everything, guys. Let's get started on this delicious recipe. Alright guys, I'm going to start off by adding 2 tablespoons of olive oil. If you don't have olive oil, you can use regular cooking oil. And to that oil, we don't want it too hot. We're going to add our garlic so that it can start cooking. And remember, we don't want it too hot because we don't want our garlic to burn, okay? Then we're going to add our onions to that as well. I love the way the garlic smells when it's cooking. Here's my camera. I need my phone a little. Okay. A half of green pepper. So far with a half of green pepper, a half of onion, half of garlic, and 1 cup of cilantro. And we're just going to stir this up. And let it cook a little bit. Okay, we're going to add half a can of tomato sauce to this. Okay, so after 10 minutes, I've allowed the beans and the 1 cup of water that I've added to come to a boil. And I added my potato and my pumpkin, the papa and the calabaza, to the beans. Okay guys, so we added the potatoes and the calabaza. We're going to add 1 more cup of water. So this is our 2nd cup of water. And we're going to cover this with just leaving enough space for it to vent. I showed you before in my other videos. I'll show you again. And we're covering this for about 20 minutes. But you might want to taste it. Make sure that all your seasonings are good. Perfect. I don't need anything else. Tastes good. Alright guys, so we're going to cover it, leaving a little space for it to vent. I like to do it like this. I just find that it thickens the sauce to the beans. So just leave it like this. We're going to leave it on medium to high heat for about 20 minutes. And then, alright guys, so after 20 minutes, this is what I have. I am going to add let me taste it first. So I'm going to add a half a cup more of water. I just want a little more of the gravy, because that's what my kids eat, is the gravy. So first 2.5 cups of water we added. We're not going to add any more. This will be fine. And we're going to allow this to come back to a boil. So 10 more minutes and our beans are done. Okay, so after 5 minutes of adding that half a cup of water, it's already done. And this is the thickness of it. And this is why I always leave the lid a little off, because I find that it makes it a little thicker. And it's not because it has the calabaza or the potatoes in it, the pumpkin or the potatoes, but I've just learned that throughout the years of cooking. Because in the beginning, when I started making my beans, they used to be so watery. So nevertheless, this is it. It's delicious. I'm gonna plate it. I made this with some white rice, and I also made chicken in the oven that I can't wait to eat. So anyways, let me plate this and I'll be right back. We're eating on the porch, me and my love, Gigi. Try not to move the phone. And that's her plate. She didn't want any kind of meat. She just has the rice and beans. How is it, Gigi?
Good.
Good? Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, she's on Musical.ly. And this is my plate. So, and we're eating in paper plates because I'm not doing dishes. So we have the rice.
I'm watching my Musical.lys now.
The Gandules guisado. I have a piece of pumpkin, calabaza, a piece of potato. The chicken. This is the chicken that I made in the oven. And if you see that I, oh my God, what's the word? I stuffed it with I made like a garlic and ginger paste. So then I stuffed it with seasoning and that garlic and ginger paste between the skin and the meat. So that's why it looks that way. And then I just baked it in the oven. If you guys want, I'll make a tutorial on that. And then just regular salad. And yeah, that's about it. I wish I had aguacate, but we don't. Hope you guys give this recipe a try. Please like and subscribe. Till next Friday. Bye.